alliance with Barbarossa and his friends. Capture the Lost Temple, and all the treasure is yours, Kusunoki. As for me, I've come and seen. Now I shall conquer!
What cause is there for such alarm?
Your Majesty, Caesar has betrayed the Alliance. He and Kusunogi Masashige are going to attack our temple.
So, Caesar, our pact with Boudica means nothing to you. Then we shall meet on the battlefield. Tell Boudica, war has found us.